I saw 2 rupees. You're supposed to be good luck. And this fucking broke. Why?
Keep your lips on the joint.
Certified bird caller is become now. It is a beautiful morning. But I slept in this tent. I woke up from the east with the sunrise, and then we went to watch some birds. And I am feeling like a free bird. It is 6:50 and we're about to go bird watching. So we're out doing bird watching, and that bird we used to call rupee. The superstition is if you see a pair of these, it's considered lucky. And there's a catch. If you see one of these, it's considered unlucky. So yeah, spot yourself a pair. Some birds have been watched very carefully. It is 8:11. We're still bird watching. Pretty nice, pretty cool, pretty interesting people all around. This is Kholey Dai, he's a photographer. Why? I saw 2 rupees. You're supposed to be good luck. I didn't see a single rupee. And this fucking broke. This is why. Why now? Like the fest has just started and this is gone. This is my main recording device. And I've lost one leg of the tripod. So folks, you are in for a little bit of an unstable shot. Yeah. Where is this stuff? You don't respond. Did you respond? Give it again. You will just record this again. Nice. Shit, you have been summoned. Temp here is a bird caller.
Yeah, that should be good enough. And keep your lips on the joint. And try to like move around, make the hole bigger and smaller. So like see if like it will work. Really correct. You should go for experiment. You do perfect. That's a bit too small. This one? You should like bend your thumb. Okay? Yeah. Make sure every like inch of it is like closed completely.
Like this?
Yeah. And now keep your lips on the joint over here.
Okay.
So bottom lip should be over here, top lip should be over here.
Just imagine you're holding a ball, then press your index with your thumb.
It's like holding a ball. Make sure every like inch of it is closed. So then you want to bend your joint on top of it. Yeah. And keep your the gap a bit wide. And you want to keep your bottom lip over here and top lip over here. and if it you need to keep going and just like make the gap bigger and smaller to see if it will work.
Do it.
Bend your index with your hand.
The reason why you can keep your lips much higher a little bit.
This certified bird caller is become now. He just randomly went, I'll do a bird call, okay?
You want to make this part, the gap. Every other part you can escape.
Don't leave any gap.
Let me also try. Oh, good morning, then. Nice to see you. We did a bird walking session and then we just got back. She's not good to see you, Maya. Kholey Dai ma.
Actually, I was surprised to see you.
It is Kholey Dai day 2. It is a beautiful morning. My tripod is broken and this is causing a little bit of a recording issue. But jugaad bhai, jugaad ab kya hi hai? What can I do? This is my tent. This is the grass. And it's a good Saturday. Can't complain, huh? And I am feeling like a free bird. Guys, my energy is a little contagious today. Peace.
यो छ कि बिर्सेर हिँड्नु पर्छ यो जोस र आनेस
Subject!